Alrighty, now I'm opening another pack of these Paradox Rift Scarlet and Violet. Yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty. Let's start off with Loudred. We got Remoraid. Remoraid. Pumpkaboo. Zubat. Simisage. Got Norman trainer card. Just one. Orthworm. Alrighty, we got a Professor Sada's Vitality trainer card. Supporter. So I think it's just a foil, maybe? I don't know. It's just ancient. We'll see about that one. Got a Seiken. That's a reverse hollow. And then I got a Xatu. Another foil. Of course, basic Dark Energy. That's about it. Yeah, I don't think I got none of these. Maybe Pumpkaboo and Zubat. But yeah, Simisage, Reverse, Xatu, Professor Sada's Vitality. I ain't got none of these. Might have Remoraid too, even Loudred, but yeah, these other ones, it's not bad. Alrighty, that's what I got today. Open another pack of that Paradox Rift.